Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is MC Hills. I am the one who normally asks people questions. So, what's your name?
My name is Chinedu Agbor.
Okay, are you from this community?
Yes, I'm from this community. I'm from Ejuona, to be precise, in Mbu Amon.
Okay, Ejuona. Okay, so is it possible for you to tell us a little brief, about your community?
Yes, I will. My community, as you can see, it is one of the community in Isi Uzo local government area. We are good people, and God bless our community. Okay. And one thing that is unique about our community is that we love each other. Okay. Just as we are celebrating today, the homecoming of our brother is a clear indication of what I'm telling you about the love that exists in our community. Okay. We are industrious people. Yeah. We don't play with our work. Whether we are doing in a civil servant, whether we are doing a farm work, in anything we engage ourselves, we take it serious.
Okay, so having said that, what do you think about this Guddoers Homecoming? What do you think about the program so far, so good?
Yes, the program is it's happened at this time, and as you can witness, our people trooped out in masses to welcome our brother. Okay. So the program is a welcome, is a welcome one. It's a good one.
Okay, this tends to unite family and friends and also bring people together. Do you think that this very kind of program is important to happen once in 3 years, in 2 years, or in 5 years? What is the essence? What do you think? Does it make sense for people to come together like this and celebrate once in a while, like the Guddoers did?
Yes, the thing, it makes sense. This is all about life. They say that without no event, there will be no history. Yeah. So if I will be permitted, the thing will be taking place on daily basis. But I know it will not. Okay. So even if it will be annually, it will be okay.
Okay. So home, what is home to you?
As an Igbo man, home simply means the place where you relax, number one. Okay. The place where you were born and brought up. Okay. That is what we call home. Okay. The place that it belongs to you. You have people that belongs to you and people that you belong to. That's what we call home.
Okay, so where do you see this very project in 5 years' time?
This is a project, I'm seeing it in 5 years' time. It will engulf, let me say at least the whole Southeast. It will engulf it and even beyond.
Okay, so before we actually let you go, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food? You know it now. As an Igbo man, my favorite food is apple pounded one with a egusi soup.
Okay.
And good meat.
Okay, so you have been watching the kids perform. You have watching those who are grown perform. The talent in itself, because one other major reason why we are doing this is to celebrate talent, to harvest them, to harness them, to project them, and to make them know that what they are doing is not in vain. To project them to bigger stage and bigger world. What do you see? What do you see?
Yes, thank you very much. I see hope for people that were endowed or talented with such kind of what we experienced today. You know, sometimes people that were talented in music, they will just while away. No sponsor, no one to pick them, no one to notice them. But with this program today, there is a hope for this generation.
Thank you very much. So, looking at the people here, with the way people are smiling, the way they are laughing, the way they are having fun, the way they are celebrating, including the children who are dancing, what does that remind you?
That reminds me unity and love in the community, in the Ejuona community of Mbu Amon.
What do you think that we can do to make sure that this keep happening?
Okay. What we can do to ensure that this keep happening is to continue loving ourselves, having things in common as just we are having today, and giving thanks to God whenever such a thing starts taking place. Just like we are rejoicing today on the sake of our brother Marius.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, your prayers for the future of Guddoers.
My prayers is that, they say the sky will be our limit, but my prayer is that the sky will be the starting point of the Guddoers.
Okay. Thank you very much. Your last word.
My last word is well with Guddoers.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir.
You.
Thank you.